there! Welcome back to the CINCH Tips Series, your quick and easy guide to getting the most out of cinch quilt. Today, we're talking about borders. Borders can feel a little tricky because this feature isn't fully finished yet, but they are still really helpful for planning and visualizing your quilt layout. Let's go step by step and I'll show you how they work. Start with a blank canvas or a new design. On the left-hand side of your screen, look for the Borders button in the sidebar. Click it, and the Borders panel will open. This is where you'll add and manage borders for your quilt. Click Add Border. Here, you'll see different style options: mitered, corner, vertical, horizontal. For now, let's choose vertical. Below the style options, you'll see a slider. This controls the size of your border. You can set it anywhere from 0 up to 12 inches. Let's slide it to 3 inches. Sometimes, you might want different border sizes for each side: top, bottom, left, and right. To do that, enable Override Border Dimensions. This unlocks text boxes where you can type in the exact measurement for each side. The increments go as small as 1/8 of an inch or 0.125. For now, let's keep things simple. Disable that option and stick with a 3-inch vertical border. Click Save and watch how Cinch Quilt draws the border around your design. You're not limited to just one border. You can add as many as you like. Let's add a second border. Click Add Border again, and this time, choose mitered with a size of 3 inches. Notice how the new border is placed inside the first one. Borders always start from the outside and work inward as you add more. If you want to change the order, you can use the Move Up and Move Down buttons in the border navigation. Try selecting a border and clicking Move Down. It shifts inward. Move Up brings it outward. You can also change a border style, adjust its size, and delete it at any time. For this example, let's delete the corner border so we're left with just the 3-inch vertical border. Now, here's something important to understand. At this stage, borders are mainly for visual reference. They show you where the border space will be, but they aren't fabric pieces yet. So how do we turn that into something useful for design? We do it with groups. Let's create a group that matches the size of the top section of our border. In the Group Designer, set the group dimensions to the same width and height of the top border strip. Inside the group, design whatever you want. Maybe just a solid rectangle for a fabric strip or something more decorative. Now, place that group on the top of the border area at the top of your quilt. Next, use Duplicate Link to make a copy and place it at the bottom border. Since it's linked, if you edit one, both will update. Now, duplicate again, but this time, choose a regular duplicate. Rotate the group and place the pieces on the left and right sides to fill in the vertical borders. So even though the border tool is mainly for visualization right now, combining it with groups makes it really powerful. Borders show you exactly where the spacing should be, and groups let you build out the real fabric strips that bring your quilt to life. Thanks for following along, and remember, new border features are on the way, so we'll revisit this topic in a future video. Until then, happy designing, and I'll see you in the next cinch tip.